Hey y'all, this is Robert from the High Desert Ranch and Homestead channel. Just wanted to do another update, my mechanic minute as it relates to my 93 Dodge Cummins turbo with the intercooler. First year that the intercooler was introduced, and I want to show something that I've been seeing. I thought it was common knowledge, but I think there's a lot of common knowledge nowadays that isn't so common, and that is where to attach the air filter. I've noticed, you can see it's a whole set turbo. A lot of guys will stick the air intake right here, or they'll try and get it down lower. Not the best way to do it. A while back, things are so dusty out here, it doesn't look new, but I did install this Nfilter a while back, and you'll notice I put it as far away as possible from that turbo and the engine block. You want to keep your exhaust gas temperature down, your EGT down, otherwise you're going to have a major reduction in your power and your output at the back end of the engine. So again, simple tip, keep that air intake as far away as possible as you can from your not only your intake turbo, but also your engine block that generates a massive amount of heat. And you'll just, by that one simple trick, you'll save yourself a lot of headache and even money adding things, other components to your engine that you don't need to. It's as simple of your air intake. So please like, subscribe, share, because common knowledge is not becoming so common anymore, and that common sense as well. So thanks for joining me here on the Mechanic Minute. I'll catch you next time here on the High Desert Ranch and Homestead channel.